Hello friend, welcome to this new video. Very interesting question is on the screen. The question is, if the sum of the number and its square is 182, what is the number? What is the number? So this is the question, and there are four options. Obviously A is equal to 15, B is equal to 26, and C is the answer 28, and D is the answer 13. So what is the answer from these four choices? Let's try to solve this question by making the mathematical statement. How to solve this number? Let's look at the question. If the sum of the number, this is first part of the statement, and its square, now this is the second part of the number, its square, okay, is 182. These are three informations which are given in the statement. What is the number? So suppose let x be the number. This is assumption, and the sum of the number and its square. Let square of the number x square. Okay, this is given, this is given. Now the next step is sum. What is sum? X square plus x is equal to 182 as given in the question. Is 182. X square plus x, the sum of the number and its square is 182. Now it is very simple to solve this question. X square plus x negative 182 is equal to 0. Either you can multiply, either you can make factors, you can do factorization. Here two things are factorization. You can do factorization and you can apply quadratic formula. Okay. Now I am going through the factorization. Okay. Understand, first of all, the rule of factorization is square, and without square these number will be multiplied. It is 182 x square. Okay, x square negative 182. Now take this number x, means without square. Okay, break this number into two parts. Okay, break this number into two parts. The two numbers when multiply make negative 182, and when add or subtract make x again. So 14x, okay, this is a number, plus negative 13x. Okay, this is a number. When we solve them we have a x. Now multiplying these number 14x and negative 13x. Okay, 13 fours are 52, 5 carry, 13 ones are 5, and it is 180 negative, and it is square. When multiply the base of when the power will be added. Okay, so confirm that x square plus 14 first number, negative 13 is the second number, and negative 182 is equal to 0. We have this. Now take x common from this number, x plus 14, negative 13 will be common from these two numbers. Here will be x, negative negative plus, and you know that 13 ones are 13, and 13 fours are 52, that is equal to 0. So how to check either factorization is correct or wrong? You have to check these factors. X plus 14, x plus 14, it means it is correct. So first of all we will write x negative 13. This x will be written with this number. Okay, and after that one time of this pair, x plus 14, that is equal to 0. You can make that x negative 13 is equal to 0, or you have x plus 14 is equal to 0. X is equal to negative 14, okay, negative 14, and x is equal to 13. So this is a positive number, this is a negative number. We are not going with this number, so we will take this number 13, and you go in the question, is 13 is given or not. So in the question, D option is 13. So our question is our answer is 13. So 13 is the answer. D is the correct answer of this question. Similarly, you can find easily any number from any number like this.